Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to use Instagram filters without internet. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, I will go ahead and turn off my Wi-Fi right in front of you. I'll also turn on airplane mode on my device. So let's say I want to use Instagram filters on the photos that I have actually saved on my gallery. So I'll just choose a random photo. Now open up Instagram. You can see the airplane mode is still turned on my phone, and then I'll tap on the plus icon from the bottom. Then I'll go ahead and choose a photo by going to Photos over here, and then selecting any photo. As you can see, once I select the photo, I'm just going to hit the arrow icon, and then here you can see the Instagram photo. And over here, I'll just go ahead and apply a filter. You can also edit the photo, so I'll just select this filter right over here to show you guys that it is a real filter that I'm using from Instagram. And then after that, I'm going to hit the arrow button. After you have done with the editing and adding filters, you can take a screenshot of the photo. As we are not connected to the internet, we cannot post it. So we will save it as a screenshot, and we will be connected to the internet. We will crop it and post it on Instagram. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.